So today I want to show you guys this absolutely gorgeous manual coffee grinder, which is great for traveling and everything like that. So first of all, it unscrews. It's nice heavy duty quality. So basically it has this, it screws in, which has two kind of functions. First of all, you can keep your whole bean grounds in here, your whole coffee beans in here until you're ready to grind them. And then you get somewhere you want some coffee. All you need to do is unscrew that, and then I'll show you. You can go coarser by turning counterclockwise and finer by turning clockwise on the right here. So it's very easy. And then all you're going to do is take your beans, pour them in here, and then you can actually put this back on and it will catch your beans. And then really simple as just putting this on and then turning, and you see it has a very smooth turning motion. Obviously it's going to, if the grounds are in there, if the beans are in there, it's going to make noise. But everything on here is nice and solid, and then you can just pop that off, open that up, boom, and you're going to have your ground coffee right in here. There'll be a link below if you're interested in this.